What's going on, everyone? We are back for our open range day. Today we are at C4 shooting in Madison, Ohio. It's currently 34 degrees and we have a ton of fun things planned. A couple new people are joining us today. We're actually going to incorporate a lot of working out, some dumbbells, some squats, some sprints. We got a couple vehicles inside the bay too. It's going to be a great day. Wait till you see what we have in store.
Don't worry, I got the kettlebell too.
Oh, fucking
Just tell me you CrossFit without telling me you CrossFit.
We're also doing 30 reps in one day. 3 hits pistol. We're gonna pick the barbell up. We do 10 squats.
Good? 2 rifles. 2, 3, 2 rifle only. 2 rifles.
10 squats.
1, 6, 7. Nice!
Oh yeah.
fucking die.
I'm not good.
Everybody's just trying to get in there. Damn.